Okay, so here's how to replace the cabin air filter on the Toyota Wigo. Just open your glove box and pull it up. Okay, set that aside. This is your USB. Now then, zoom in tayo. There is a latch over here. You need to press and then pull up slightly, and pull this cover to the left, and there is your filter. You just need to pull it out. Sometimes it gets stuck on the fan motor or something else inside there. Okay, that's how you take it out, and then you get a new filter and just push it in. Make sure to follow this. Get your cover, and it's very easy. Just get it on top of there and slide it to the right, and then push this back into the locking latch. And then the tricky part is getting the glove box back. Put that there. You have to put the hinge on these two. Push it in. It's in, and then you'll see that it catches here, but you can push it up. Okay, and now you're done.